Now let's try using the recording function of Time Machine to record a live TV. Press the wheel button on Magic Remote Control while watching a broadcast. Press the record button that appears at the bottom of the screen to begin recording the current program. To stop recording, press the wheel button again. You can press the recording stop button on the bar to stop recording or to schedule when to stop recording. You can use the scheduling function in Time Machine to record future programs. First, let's discuss how to select and schedule a program for recording. Press the wheel button on the Magic Remote Control and then select the Schedule button. When the pop-up window appears, press Select Schedule by Program to open the Program Information screen. Select the program and then press the Record button. If there is no program information, you can still select the date and time to schedule the recording. In the Schedule pop-up window, select Manual Timer to select a date, time, and channel. You can modify or delete the schedule on the Schedule List screen. The videos you have recorded appear on the recording list. To open the recording list, press the wheel button on the Magic Remote Control and select the Recorded TV button. You can select a video from the list to play it.